How to fix a Snapchat device ban. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways that can help you fix your device ban problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Head over to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Once done, go ahead and open up your settings. Here, scroll below to apps and search for Snapchat. Then tap onto its storage and tap on Clear Cache. Now, as your device has been banned already, just tap on to Clear Data. Clearing your data would remove all your login details and your setting history. If you would still like to continue, then tap on Delete. Now go back to your app info page and tap on Force Stop on your bottom right. Then tap on OK. Now see if this fixes your problem. If not, just reinstall this application after uninstalling it first. Then again go onto your Snapchat and install the Snapchat app. Once done, restart your device and this shall fix your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.